Burn.
Cooking with Elvis. What's for dinner tonight? Super.
Yes.
Super food.
Oh, of course.
Of course. Look at this food. That's delicious.
You don't worry much about your phone, I can see.
You
Because,
people, you can't smell this touch. It's made by
Take a phone now.
androids and human people together.
Yes.
It's like a exploited album.
Yeah, but it's also like
Bag of glue. Let it puttra, as we say in Sweden. This is not food for pigs. This is not for the cop cars. This is for my extension. Lismismis. Ingenjörstatus. Det är det här vi vill ha till studentfest måltid. Eller vi ska ta 15 poäng i högskolepoäng i semester. Nej, skolsemester.
bara rastapasta.
Rastapasta.
Lite bättre, vi kör.
Okej. Vad är ditt hemliga knep? Magi.
Som man borde... För... Vad brukar jag säga? Jag glömde bort att jag höll på att bryta... Till den här... Den gamla...
Vad blir det för mat? Nu blir det trummor. Det är fan vattentornet. Kolla vattentornet. There's a water tower. Tower of evil, tower of the power, tower of evil, water tower, evil. Fuck this tower of water, fill it with dirt, then all people will eat pasta every day. Children will be praying to God.